Woo! Was that a rainstorm or what? Look at the ditches. See, my neighbor's house is for sale. He would love for you to come buy it. See our ditches. What I wanted to show you was we've been waiting for some rain. See my curly willow? We've been waiting for some rain to see how our dirt that we put in helped. And it did help. We had a lot of rain, but it didn't help enough. See that? This would have usually been underwater too. And so it's gone back some, but we got all this back here. So we're gonna have to get another load of dirt. See over there by the house? So, here we go back here. The kitties got scared, but they're okay. See, we got all this back here. We need some more dirt back here. And all the way back here. Look at that pretty new shed. I think I'm gonna move in there. All right, I gotta go get ready for work. Y'all have an awesome day. Take it easy.